Bozeman meets it. Kasama nila si Firehawker, Raymundo, and Ababu. Bozeman will waste away the time kontra dito kay Chris Lutz. 7 seconds remaining in this game. Bozeman didiscarte. Goes to his right. Bozeman looking to go all the way. It's Ledrick. Bozeman buries it with 3/10 of a second remaining. And Barangay Ginebra will throw this one out of the fire. Cedric Bozeman with a huge shot.
We got to see that play once again. And it almost seems, Babu, kung titignan natin yung play na yun, parang napaaga. Parang nahuli na ang atake ng Barangay Ginebra. But it was just in time para dito kay Cedric Bozeman. Talk about a game in which would epitomize yung pagre-retiro ng numero ni Coach Sonny Jaworski. This is probably go down in Barangay Ginebra folklore. Cedric Bozeman, all game long sinasabi natin, we want to see an imprint in this game in which Cedric Bozeman really made a big shot or something happening in this game. None bigger than the game winner para dito kay Cedric Bozeman.
At dahil